He's got to get his body in good position. He's got to stay low and really drive. With that amazing leg power, he needs to put it to work and keep those feet on those rungs.
And Kaz, that 400-plus weight is really a double-edged sword for him because he's unable to get compact and get low to the tracks.
That's right, he's getting a few good pulls going down low, but now he's trying to come up high. You know, when you're low, you feel the pain. That's where the strain is. Todd, when you weigh as much as Glenn Ross does, you can blow up in just a few seconds under this kind of pull.
He's not even using his hands to pull on this train. It's all leg and lower back. He's really struggling. Kaz, there's only 75 seconds to complete this course, and I think the worst-case scenario is taking place for Glenn Ross. The train is almost at a standstill.
Momentum's really a big factor, Todd. You've got to keep this train moving, and one would surely think that Glenn Ross, with all that tremendous leg power and overall body weight, would be able to move this thing easily down the track, and it's just not happening for him. He's just not in good enough shape.
75 seconds of pure torture for Glenn Ross. And he comes up just short. Glenn Ross credited with just 14 meters, and that must have felt like 14 miles to Glenn.
For all of his power, Glenn Ross could never build any sort of momentum. Take a look and see how unsteady he was. At the end, he stopped using his upper body at all and was relying on his leg strength alone.
Making his world's strongest man debut, this is Vidas Blekaitis. He's in third place after 2 events.
Are you ready?
Now, Kaz, Blekaitis has really impressed me over the first 2 events. He's small, he's compact, and extremely explosive. Look at this guy. Look at the footwork.
Great power and athletic ability. He's utilizing his arms, too. He looks a little bit like a locomotive who says, I can do this.
Vidas Blekaitis is no caboose in this event. He is going to blow away the time to beat of 44 seconds and puts up the new time of 27.43, and he still had some steam left. Unbelievable. Vidas Blekaitis, Kaz, he didn't want to stop.
Todd, Vidas did everything right. He stayed low. He used his arms and legs to propel himself down the course. That's going to be a tough time to beat.
We've got 2 men left to attack the train pole. This one will be Vasyl Virastyuk. He gets his chance to take a shot at the time posted by Blekaitis. Virastyuk comes into the train pole in second place overall.
Are you ready?
Yeah! Great body position, Todd. Look at that start. No wasted movement. Dive and push. The train's moving.
Explosive off the line is Virastyuk, and look at him moving now. Virastyuk making his 16-ton train look like a commuter express.
And he is truly low. He's got so much power against that train, using all that quad power.
Well, after Blekaitis put up a blistering time of 27.43, Virastyuk goes out and blows that away by almost 2 seconds, 25.44.
It seemed like Vasyl was running down the course. It was like he forgot he had 32,000 pounds in tow. Wow, what an effort by the Ukrainian.
Representing Canada, Hugo Gerard.
That brings us to the group's overall leader and our final competitor in the train pole from Canada. This is Hugo Gerard. And Kaz, we've seen 23 other men in all the qualifying groups combined tackle this apparatus. But I've never seen a time put up by Vasyl Virastyuk. Is this within the reach of Hugo Gerard?
It'd be a Herculean effort. He'd have to do everything right. And it looks like he's missed a couple steps right out of the start.
25.44 seconds. Pace just not as quick as Virastyuk.
I like his technique, though. He's really laid out. He's using his arms and all that massive leg power.
It's a 16-ton train. It's more than 100 degrees today, and Hugo Gerard is battling. Stopping the clock at 34.68. He'll come up short, but that will put him into 3rd place overall in the train pole.
Todd Hugo started off pretty strongly, but as he began to tire, you can see his center of gravity getting higher and higher. That won't help in an event like this.